Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the coordinate system, the manufacturing coordinate system. So this is the MCS. Double click and make sure the coordinate system, you need to define it. You can keep it anywhere. This is the machine 0, right? You can keep it on top. Z must be upward, and you can deal with the X and Y axis. Suppose you just want to rotate it at -90, +90, you can rotate it anywhere like this at 90. Put it here at 90. You can place it X, Y, and Z, and just rotate it at 90. And this is the reference coordinate system. Clearance at just taking the automatic. I would select this plane defining 2 mm. So this is my retract plane, and if you open any of the path, you can just deal with the MCS, putting it somewhere here, at this corner, here, anywhere you just want to keep it. And plane, specify this plane and define, suppose 4 mm. Okay, you can have this one. And now let me just define this one, and the Z is in the right direction. Just drag it like this, because the tool will come in Z direction, and this is a lathe component. So this is how you can deal with the different kinds of the coordinate system. And let me just go for this part right now. This is the 4-axis part, and as you can see over here, it just define the manufacturing coordinate system at this surface. Make sure this time Z must be upward, because the tool will come in this direction. So you can select a plane and specify the plane is, suppose, this one, and let me just drag it a bit of 2 mm. Okay, so this is how you can define the manufacturing coordinate system. This is the machine 0. You can select and choose it on top of the part, bottom of the part, or anywhere. It depends on the programmer. Thanks for watching.